Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at Lockdown Security coming to you on February the 15th, 2020, and we are working on this Tesla Model 3 that we just installed the Hansshow Power Frunk and Power Trunk Kit. For those of you who don't know what a frunk is, it's the front trunk, and essentially we've converted this car from a manual open front trunk and a manual open rear trunk to power on both. So I'm just going to show you the box here and show you exactly what it is. You'll see it is the Hansshow brand. It's got a power tailgate, power front, comes with these linear actuators. Just going to pull this off of the vehicle. My coworker Rye is going to help demonstrate. Rye, if you could open up the frunk, please. So as you're going to see right there, we've opened it from the center mount screen, the touch screen. We were able to open it. If I was going to close this, what I would do is I would show you the light up close switch right here. If I push this button, it closes the frunk down and it'll automatically latch it. Rye, if you could open the trunk, please. So Rye has opened that from the center mount screen. As you can see, it opens up. Now, if I wanted to close it, I have a number of options. I can use this button, I can use the soft button on the exterior, or as Rye is going to demonstrate, you can close it from inside the car. Now, we have tried. Rye, if you could open the frunk. So as you can see right there, we've opened it from the inside. We have tried to be able to close it from the center screen, but unfortunately, it does not close from the inside. So you do have to close the frunk from outside the vehicle by pushing the button that we've installed. Overall, the kit is actually quite cool. If I owned a Model 3, I think this would be an upgrade that I would do. Brings ultimate convenience to the vehicle that you don't have from stock, because both the trunk and the frunk are manually operated. As far as I know, we don't have the customer's phone here, but you can also use the Tesla smartphone app to be able to open and close the trunk and then open the frunk. And you can also use the Tesla key card to do this as well. Installation took about 5 to 6 hours for both, maybe just approaching about 7 hours, but no problem in handling that here at Lockdown Security. If you want to do this to your Model 3, your Model S, or your Model X, we can definitely assist you. Now, we haven't started selling the Hansshow kit yet, but we will offer a coupon code on their website. If you type in Lockdown, capital LOCKDOWN, you will get 10% off the kit on the Hansshow website. We'll put a link to that in the notes. But soon we will start selling this product on our website at lockdownsecurity.ca. We'll also put a link to that in the video notes as well when we do so. If you or someone you know has a Tesla Model 3 and you want to add power trunk or power frunk or both, feel free to call us 1-866-824-4118 or locally at 647-439-4485. We are located in Markham, Ontario, Canada. We do ship worldwide. So for all you Canadian customers out there who are watching this, if you do want to come and see us, feel free to do so. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you could, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It does go a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future. Thank you very much. Have a great day.